Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fundamentals of technical SEO, a critical component in building a strong foundation for your website. Technical SEO ensures that your site is not only crawlable and indexable, but also provides a seamless user experience. Now consider this. In 2025, search engines are leveraging advanced algorithms that prioritize technical quality as part of their ranking criteria. That means if your site isn't technically sound, your online visibility could suffer. Let's remember, it's no longer just about having great content. It's also about how well your site functions and how it's understood by search engines. As we move forward, keep in mind that a strong technical foundation is essential to any successful SEO strategy. They tapped the link and waited, then gone. Just like that. Over half your audience disappeared before the first pixel even loaded. In fact, 53% of users abandon any site that takes longer than 3 seconds. 3 seconds. And if you're in e-commerce, a single second delay can slash conversions by 7%. That's the cost of hesitation in a digital world where speed is currency. But here's the opportunity. Websites that prioritize core web vitals see a 24% boost in engagement. That's not fluff. It's strategy. Site speed isn't just a tech metric. It's your first impression, your silent pitch, your invisible handshake. Google knows it. That's why performance directly influences your rankings. So tools like PageSpeed Insights, GTmetrix, and Web Page Test, they're not just diagnostics. They're your competitive edge. Master this, and you're not just optimizing code. You're accelerating trust, building momentum, creating velocity that converts. A user taps your link while waiting for coffee. You've got 3 seconds, max. Not on a desktop, not even on a tablet. On a phone, one hand, sunlight glare, spotty signal. If your site fumbles under those conditions, you've already lost them. Over 70% of websites are now indexed mobile first. And mobile traffic? It's not the future. It's already over 60% of all visits. This isn't a trend. It's the terrain. That's why mobile optimization isn't just a checklist. It's strategic armor. Responsive design ensures every screen, every pixel, adapts with elegance. Simplified navigation, it's not minimalist, it's merciful. Optimized media loads fast or not at all. And security, without SSL, trust collapses instantly. You're not just shrinking layouts, you're rebuilding hierarchy. Reimagining interaction. Designing for real-world browsing behavior, not ideal conditions. Master mobile-first thinking, and you're not just following Google's lead. You're earning it. Page by page, tap by tap. A user lands on your page. It loads in just under 3 seconds. Great start. They tap a button, it responds instantly. Even better, the layout? Rock solid. No sudden jumps, no jarring shifts, nothing disrupts the rhythm. Welcome to the world of Core Web Vitals, Google's 3 golden signals of user satisfaction. Largest contentful paint, or LCP, measures how quickly the main content appears. Under 2.5 seconds isn't just a nice to have, it's the baseline. Interaction to next paint, or INP, tracks responsiveness. If it takes longer than 200 milliseconds to react, that's when frustration sets in. And then there's cumulative layout shift, or CLS, the sneaky one. It's what makes that buy button jump just as you're about to press it. Keep that below 0.1 or risk losing user trust. These aren't just performance metrics, they're experience benchmarks. Nail them, and you're building a site people actually enjoy using. Miss them, and you're silently leaking traffic, trust, and revenue. In 2025, technical SEO isn't just a checklist. It's your site's operating system. If Google can't crawl it, it can't rank it. Simple as that. But here's where many go wrong. They obsess over content and backlinks while neglecting the plumbing underneath. Crawlability is step 1. Submit clean XML sitemaps and wield your robots.txt like a scalpel, not a sledgehammer. Then fix what's broken. Dead links don't just waste crawl budget, they erode trust. Redirects? Think of them as digital signage. Misguide once, and users rarely forgive. Structured data? That's your silent pitch to search engines. Use schema.org to speak fluently in rich results, FAQs, stars, and snippets. And finally, audits. Regular ones. Screaming Frog, SEMrush, Ahrefs, whatever your flavor. Audit like it's a ritual. The web evolves daily, and your technical hygiene should too. Strong foundations don't just support visibility, they multiply it, quietly. reliably, at scale. A high-traffic site was bleeding rankings, and no one knew why. No penalties, no content theft, just a silent drop. The culprit? A rogue JavaScript function blocking critical content from rendering to crawlers. This is the heart of technical SEO. It's not just what your site shows users, it's what it reveals or hides from Google. Common issues often go undetected. Duplicate content cannibalizes visibility unless you use canonical tags to consolidate signals. Crawl errors. They quietly block discovery. One broken path, one forgotten redirect, and entire sections vanish from the index. JavaScript-heavy sites? Without server-side rendering or hydration best practices, search bots hit a wall. And those XML sitemaps? If they're outdated, they mislead Google about what to crawl next. Here's the kicker. Most of these issues are preventable. Regular maintenance, smart tooling, and structured diagnostics turn chaos into control. As we dive into your technical SEO action plan, let's focus on a few crucial steps that will set you up for success. First, testing site speed and core web vitals is essential. Run monthly audits using tools like PageSpeed Insights and GTmetrix. These audits will help you identify and address high-priority issues that can improve user experience and load times. Next, let's look at the mobile experience. It's vital to test your site across multiple devices. Ensure your design is fully responsive and that any usability issues are resolved. Don't overlook structured data. Adding schema markup based on your content type can significantly enhance how your content appears in search results. Be sure to test everything using Google's Rich Results tool to confirm it's working as intended. Remember, maintaining strong technical SEO is foundational. Without it, even the best content may not effectively reach your audience.